Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the file and saving a backup copy. That keeps you safe if you need to revert. Next, display the navigation pane to find the pages with wrong numbers and turn on formatting marks so you can see hidden breaks and manual page breaks. Once visible, inspect the footer or header where numbers live, because most numbering errors come from unexpected section breaks or different first page settings, so identify those first and be ready to change them. Now you address the core issue: section breaks and header/footer linking. Go to the first affected section, double-click the header or footer, and click Link to Previous off to break the chain. This lets you change numbering only for that section. Delete or change a section break only after checking surrounding layout, because removal can alter formatting. Then use page number format page numbers to choose number format, and set the correct starting value so numbering flows as intended. Finish by updating fields so Word recalculates numbers. Press Ctrl+ and F9, or right-click a page number and choose Update field. Make sure different first page or different odd and even settings haven't been applied accidentally, because those suppress numbers on some pages. If numbers still misbehave, copy the body content, excluding headers/footers, into a new document and reapply clean section breaks. This often removes hidden corruption. If that fails, use your backup and repeat carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.